Greetings everyone, this is Queenie with Queenie's Kitchen, and I have a wonderful medicine making class for beginners that's going to be starting the end of April. And I'm out here on a walk and discovered this beautiful patch of chickweed. So I want to just share this with you. So chickweed, right now we're getting to the end of the season for chickweed. And so right now you can see the beautiful white flowers of chickweed, and chickweed is a wonderful plant that can be used to make your own medicine. It is really great and beneficial for the entire body. I mean, it's great in vitamins and minerals. Some people use it for weight loss. A lot of people will make a tonic and tea out of it when they're sick. It's a wonderful plant during pregnancy as well, because it's very high in iron, high in minerals, and it makes a wonderful pesto that you can make with it called chickpea pesto. It tastes really yummy. You can also use it in salads. And so just wanted to share this with you. At one point in time, our ancestors, they knew how to go out and identify these plants, and so they never were dependent on the medical system because they were their own healers. So I want to encourage everyone to discover the power, the wonderful plants that live around us, and join my class the end of April. This is Queenie with QueeniesKitchen.com and chickweed.